If you live in Australia, you may have noticed that internet access has started to change recently. The government has introduced age verification rules for certain websites, which means users may now have to confirm their identity before accessing some content online. Because of changes like this, many people are turning to VPNs to improve their online privacy, secure their internet connection, and keep more control over how their data is handled online. In this video, we'll take a look at 3 of the best VPN options for Australia: NordVPN, Surfshark, and ProtonVPN. And if you want to try any of them, I've placed links with discounts in the description and in the pinned comment, so you can check the current deals there. Let's start with NordVPN. NordVPN is one of the most popular VPN services in the world and is known for its very fast speeds and strong security features. It uses the NordLynx protocol, which helps deliver excellent performance while keeping your connection encrypted and private. NordVPN also includes tools like threat protection, which can block ads, trackers, and malicious websites before they even load. Combined with a large global server network, this makes NordVPN a very reliable option for streaming, browsing, and everyday internet use. In terms of pricing, NordVPN usually starts at around $2.99 per month on long-term plans, while higher-tier plans can go up to about $6.89 per month, depending on the features included. Of course, prices can change over time, depending on current promotions. Next is Surfshark. Surfshark has become extremely popular thanks to its excellent balance between price and performance. One of its biggest advantages is unlimited device connections, meaning you can protect all your devices using a single subscription. It also includes features like Clean Web, which helps block ads, trackers, and malicious domains while browsing. Surfshark is fast, easy to use, and works across all major platforms. Price-wise, Surfshark is usually one of the most affordable premium VPNs, with long-term plans typically starting at around $1.99 per month and going up to about $3.99 per month, depending on the plan and current deals. Finally, there's ProtonVPN. ProtonVPN is developed by the team behind ProtonMail and is well known for its strong focus on privacy and transparency. The company follows a strict no-logs policy and is based in Switzerland, which has strong privacy protections. It also includes a feature called NetShield, which helps block ads, trackers, and malicious websites while browsing. When it comes to pricing, ProtonVPN Plus plans usually start at around $2.49 per month on long-term subscriptions, though again, the exact price can vary depending on the promotion available at the time. Overall, NordVPN, Surfshark, and ProtonVPN are all strong options if you want better privacy and a more secure internet connection in Australia. If you want to check the latest discounts for these VPNs, remember that the links are available in the description and in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more VPN reviews, tech deals, and privacy guides.